Hello and welcome. In this video, we're going to look at how to multiply a whole number by a fraction. So, we have the example here, 3 times 4 over 6, where 3 is a whole number and 4 over 6 is a fraction. So, to do this, the first thing you want to realize is that 3 can be rewritten as 3 over 1, because 3 over 1 is the same thing as 3. So if we rewrite our problem with 3 as 3 over 1, we get 3 over 1 times 4 over 6. Now, we're dealing with a fraction problem where we're multiplying a fraction by a fraction, which should look a lot easier to solve. Now that we have this, all we have to do is multiply across. So 3 times 4 is 12, and 1 times 6 is 6. And the last step is we can simplify this as 12 over 6 is just 2. And that's how you multiply a whole number by a fraction. And that's all there is to it. You just learned how to multiply a whole number by a fraction. So if you found this video helpful at all, make sure to give it a like, feel free to drop a comment, and please consider subscribing to my channel. And I hope you have a wonderful rest of your day.